The DJI Avata 3 isn't just an upgrade. It's a revolution. Right now, in early 2026, the drone world is exploding with leaks, FCC filings, insider whispers from Chinese forums, and beta tester screenshots that DJI probably wishes stayed hidden. We're talking about a drone that could drop any month now, maybe even this spring, and it's got creators, FPV pilots, and cinematographers losing sleep. Let's start with the biggest bombshell. The camera. The Avata 2 already blew minds with its 1/1.3-inch sensor and 4K at 100 frames per second. But leaks point to the Avata 3 jumping to a massive 1-inch CMOS sensor, yes, a full 1-inch beast. That means insane low light performance, way better dynamic range, and colors that pop like never before. Picture shooting golden hour sunsets or night flights without grain ruining the vibe. Some rumors even tease 4K at 120 frames per second smooth slow motion. 10-bit D-Log for pro grading, and HDR that makes every frame cinematic. But wait, there's more drama. A ton of leaks are calling this thing the DJI Avata 360. Dual ultra-wide fisheye lenses, possibly dual 1/1.1-inch sensor straight from the Osmo 360 lineup. That opens the door to true 8K 360-degree capture at 50 frames per second or higher. Plus standard forward FPV mode rocking 4K 120 frames per second. Think about it. Fly immersive first person, then reframe any angle in post-production. No more missing the shot because you were too busy dodging obstacles. Post-flight editing becomes God mode creative freedom. And those rotating or dual lens setups. Leaked promo images show a design that lets you switch between classic Sinuhope FPV and full spherical capture. Beginners get forgiveness on framing, pros get unlimited angles. It's like DJI said, why choose when you can have both? Now, flight performance, because specs mean nothing if it doesn't fly like a dream. The Avata 2 hits about 23 minutes max, but leaks scream longer. Up to 25 to 30 minutes thanks to a beefed up 38.67 Wh battery. 26% bigger capacity without killing agility. New 4-blade propeller design for more thrust, stability, and quieter operation. Top speeds. Rumors say pushing past the Avata 2's 27 meters per second in manual mode, maybe 140 kilometers per hour bursts. Ascent rates faster, cornering sharper. Safety? DJI listened. Expect full omnidirectional obstacle avoidance with upgraded infrared and fisheye sensors. Better downward, backward, and even side sensing. Return to home smarter than ever. And whispers of under 250 G weight in some configs. No registration headaches in many countries. Transmission? OcuSync 4 Plus or O4 Plus upgrades for rock-solid low-latency video feed. Longer range? Anti-interference magic. Pair it with rumored new goggles 4 and next-gen motion controller for even more intuitive control. Price? Leaks float drone only around $1,200. Fly more combos higher. But for what you're getting, it could be a steal compared to competitors. Compare it to the Avata 2 real quick. Avata 2, 377G, 23-minute flights, great but grainy in low light. Avata 3 rumors, bigger sensor, longer battery, 360 potential, better everything. It's not evolution, it's a leap. But here's the real hook. If these leaks are real, this drone doesn't just capture footage. It redefines how we tell stories from the sky. Imagine free running through abandoned factories in 8K 360, reframing epic drone chases later, or cinematic slow-mo flips at dusk with zero noise. The creative possibilities are endless. The question isn't if you should upgrade, it's whether you can wait. DJI might drop this bomb any week now. Some say February or March 2026 launch. Others point to Q2. So, are you ready to level up your FPV game? Hit that like button if these leaks got you hyped. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the official reveal. Drop in the comments. Would you go for the 360 version or stick to pure FPV power? And tell me, what's the first thing you'd film with an Avata 3? Stick around because we're not done. Let's dive deeper into how this could crush competitors like Insta360's anti-gravity A1. The Avata 3's hybrid design might just make 360 FPV mainstream. No more bulky rigs, agile Sinuhope body with spherical power. Picture this. You're racing through a forest at sunset. With 360 capture, every tree, every leaf reflection is yours to edit. Add rock steady and horizon steady on steer